Welcome to Guangzhou, China, home of the world famous Canton Fair, officially known as the China Import and Export Fair. First held in 1957, the Canton Fair has grown into the largest and most influential trade exhibition in the world, attracting hundreds of thousands of buyers and exhibitors from across the globe. Held twice every year at the massive Pazhou Exhibition Complex in Guangzhou, it serves as a gateway connecting international businesses with China's vast manufacturing industry. The Spring 2026 edition, the 139th Canton Fair, was held from April 15th to May 5th and was divided into three phases, each focusing on different product categories. Phase 1, which we are visiting today, took place from April 15th to 19th and showcased some of the most exciting sectors of modern industry. From consumer electronics and smart appliances to industrial machinery, new energy solutions, electric vehicles, lighting products, hardware tools, and automation technology, robotics. This phase highlights the innovation and manufacturing strength that China is known for worldwide. The Canton Fair brings together more than 25,000 exhibitors and hundreds of thousands of international buyers, making it one of the most important sourcing events on the global business calendar. Whether you are a manufacturer, importer, entrepreneur, or simply curious about the latest innovations, the Canton Fair offers a fascinating glimpse into the future of global trade. Join me as we explore the vast halls of the Canton Fair 2026 Phase 1 and discover the latest products, technologies, and business opportunities from around the world. Let's step inside. And what better way to start than at our own, the BTEC lock stand? As BTEC's super distributor in India since 2010, it fills us with pride to see the very products we market across India being showcased to visitors from all over the world. It's a special moment for us and the perfect place to begin our Canton Fair 2026 adventure. Before we dive into the exhibits, let's take a quick look at the sheer scale of the Canton Fair. The exhibition complex is enormous, with multiple halls spread across different zones and thousands of exhibitors showcasing millions of products. Trying to visit every stall would be nearly impossible, especially if you have only a few days at the fair. The smart way to explore is to first identify the product categories that interest you most and focus on those halls. A little planning goes a long way. Use the fair map, shortlist the exhibitors you want to visit, and then work your way systematically through each hall. This saves valuable time and helps you cover far more ground without feeling overwhelmed. That's exactly what we're doing today, focusing on the sectors most relevant to our business, while also taking a glimpse at some of the exciting innovations on display throughout the fair. Robots are everywhere at this year's Canton Fair. They're serving, delivering, guiding visitors, and showing off some impressive AI skills. Watching them is fascinating and a little worrying too. Some of them look so capable that I was tempted to ask if they're available for hire. But honestly, I think we're still some distance away from having a robot at home that can cook dinner, clean the house, and keep the family happy. When that day comes, I am sure there will be a very long waiting list.
This program is do the same thing.
Another familiar sight at this year's Canton Fair is the robot dog. In fact, they seem to be everywhere. These four legged machines can walk, run, climb obstacles, and carry cameras while moving surprisingly fast across the ground. If you've been watching cricket in India recently, you may have already seen them in action. Many broadcasters now use robot dogs equipped with cameras to capture unique ground level shots and bring viewers closer to the action. Watching them move around is quite fascinating. At times, they almost look like real dogs, except they don't need food, they don't bark, and thankfully, they don't leave any surprises on the carpet. While they're impressive pieces of technology, I think they're currently more useful for specialized tasks such as inspections, surveillance, filming, and industrial applications. But who knows? Perhaps one day we'll all have a robot dog at home without having to worry about feeding it or taking it for a walk. Well, there goes another job for humans. This robotic pool cleaner quietly cruises around the pool, cleaning the floor and walls all by itself. No complaints, no lunch breaks, and no overtime pay. The robots are definitely coming. The hospitality industry seems to have become a favorite playground for robotics. We're seeing robots that deliver room service, clean floors, guide guests, and even assist at reception desks. It's impressive technology, although I think guests will still appreciate a warm smile from a human more than a perfectly programmed greeting from a robot. Next, we enter the automobile sector, and it looks like everyone has received the same memo: go electric. EVs are everywhere, in every size, shape, and style imaginable. Some look sleek and futuristic, while others look like they've just driven straight out of a science fiction movie. With electric technology opening up new possibilities, vehicle manufacturers are becoming more creative than ever. The race is on to build smarter, greener, and more exciting vehicles. One thing is certain: the future of motoring is arriving fast, and it seems to be doing so very quietly. As our visit to Canton Fair 2026 comes to an end, one thing that deserves special mention is the incredible food experience. With hundreds of thousands of visitors attending the fair, you might expect long queues and delays. But surprisingly, there are plenty of restaurants, cafes, and food courts spread throughout the exhibition complex, serving a wide variety of food and drinks. What amazed us most was how quickly the food was served despite the huge crowds. Each day, we took the opportunity to try different Chinese delicacies, giving us a taste of the local cuisine alongside the business experience. And on our final day, after all the walking and exploring, we decided to enjoy a familiar meal at McDonald's before heading home. The Canton Fair is much more than just a trade exhibition. It's a showcase of innovation, technology, global business, and culture, all brought together under one roof. We hope you've enjoyed this tour and gained a glimpse into one of the world's largest and most fascinating trade fairs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Ernest Explorations, Journeying with Delight, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our future adventures. And we'd love to hear from you. What did you find most interesting about the Canton Fair? Was it the robots, the electric vehicles, the technology, or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until our next journey, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep delighting in the world around you. See you in the next video.